We've created the coolest piece of living art the world has ever seen. Back in 2011, when crowdfunding was an experimental concept, this guy launched a pet jellyfish tank. And all you backers out there transformed his garage hobby into a jellyfish art. Then he teamed up with us, Reef Aquaria Design, a family business that's been making custom aquariums since 1954, to make significant improvements to that product. But we didn't stop there. For the past 2 years, we've been designing a completely new kind of jellyfish aquarium and can't wait to share it with you. Introducing the Jellyfish Cylinder Nano, the easiest and most affordable aquarium that makes jellyfish keeping simple for anyone. A special laminar water flow not possible in regular fish tanks, driven by a whisper quiet air pump, keeps conditions just right for healthy jellyfish. The tank is hand molded by the same factory we've been working with for years. A remote control LED changes the color of the jellyfish. ChemiPure Blue filtration media and nitrate-free salt keep the water crystal clear. A new jellyfish food blend keeps them happy and healthy. It comes with all the accessories needed to set up in 10 minutes, so all you need to do is add water. We've also built a sustainable breeding facility, so once your tank is set up with water, a simple click of the mouse redeems your jellyfish from our website. They're packed into insulated boxes and shipped express right to your doorstep for free.
Hey, I'm Vanilla Ice, and I'm here to tell you something really cool. Jellyfish, real jellyfish, just like you've seen on the Vanilla Ice project on DIY Network. Well, now you can bring it to your house anywhere in the country. That's right, we can ship the food to you, ship the jellyfish to you, and you can have it anywhere. Set it on your nightstand, and you'll be the coolest envy of the neighborhood.
We've made pet jellyfish easy for anyone. Jellyfish are mesmerizing, peaceful, relaxing, fun, educational, easy to care for, and absolutely beautiful.
If you look around, buttons are everywhere, appearing color, shape, size, style, and in many other ways. There is one thing in common. To make them work, you push. What if you can push them without physically being where they are? What if you can make them work automatically on their own? It's a microbot push, a tiny wireless robotic finger that can push any button. Now you can push this with your smartphone. Push is very easy to install and use. Just attach it on a surface where the button you want to push is located. Pair with this companion help product box and use your smartphone to push it from anywhere, anytime, even from outside. No wires, no tools required. With Push, you can control your light switches, turn on your home computer for more, play music, start making coffee, turn off electric fan, and many other things. It's only limited by your imagination. Push is simple yet very sophisticated. We designed the gears and PCB from the ground up for the lowest possible power consumption and the maximum torque to push most of ordinary buttons. In fact, you don't even need a smartphone to use it. It just works. Protobox is the brain for microbots, and it's what automates them with other sensors and services. Using its groundbreaking user interface, all you need to do is scribble a note that describes how you want to automate your microbots. The autocomplete feature will also help you write rules. With Protobox, you can start making coffee when you wake up. Get things on your desk ready when you enter your office. Lights when the sun goes down, and a lot more, all automatically without your smartphone.
Hi, I'm Sean.
And I'm Frank.
And this is Ekko. Ekko is a revolutionary new audio device that enables your existing headphones or speakers to receive wireless, hi-fi audio from any source. Each user simply takes a battery-powered sound puck from the base station and plugs in any pair of headphones. The result? Instant, hi-fi quality wireless audio for the whole family.
Most wireless headphone systems are bulky and expensive, and often designed for only one user. We designed Ekko because we believe everyone should be able to use their headphones or speakers to enjoy a phenomenal wireless listening experience. Ekko is specifically designed to accommodate multiple users. Up to 4 or more can listen together at the same time. Its built-in Wi-Fi technology delivers high-quality, ultra-low latency sound for a real-time listening experience. It's perfect for movies, music, gaming, and more.
Ekko delivers a highly customized listening experience that's designed to fit each user's preference. Each sound puck has individual volume controls, while the Smart Mobile app controls equalizer settings, streaming settings, and more. It even has parental controls like volume limiting to help ensure safe listening for kids.
We designed Ekko because we wanted to create a high-quality, social, wireless listening experience that our expensive wireless headphones simply couldn't provide.
We wanted something powerful enough to create an audiophile-grade listening experience, but simple enough for the whole family to enjoy. Something that untethers you, that allows you more freedom and better range than Bluetooth or RF.
My name is Lazer Shaver. I'm co-founder of Fly. I'm really passionate about new technologies, and I naturally fell in love with drones when I first met them a few years ago. I'm convinced that in the future we'll have flying robots around us helping us in our daily lives. But before that, we must overcome a few challenges, in particular with respect to safety and usability. So what we did at Fly is to go back to the drawing board and invent the flying robot of the future. It had to be safe, robust, and with a great user experience. We've been hacking around in my attic for about a year, building prototypes out of balsa-wood and DIY electronics. And after many trials, Fly eventually stayed in the air and proved to us that it was all possible. So based on this, we managed to convince Pierre Loest, who is a famous Belgian entrepreneur, but also a talented drone pilot. He became really enthusiastic about the project and decided to invest.
Quand j'ai vu pour la première fois Fly, j'ai tout de suite compris que ce n'était pas un drone, c'est autre chose. C'est comme un dessin de Da Vinci ou de Spielberg qui prend réalité devant vous. Prenez Fly en main et vous comprendrez pourquoi j'ai décidé d'investir dans ce projet.
What makes flying design so innovative? It's made of a single shielded propeller and 4 control vanes for stability. It has the same size and weight of a soccer ball. It's packed with sensor, a powerful onboard computer, a HD camera, and a Wi-Fi connection. We wanted Fly to be smart and autonomous, so you don't have to be always piloting it. You can select a simple mission through the mobile app and just enjoy the live streaming.
Today's world is just so busy. There's endless to-do lists, there's stressful jobs. Sometimes all you need is a place where you can just breathe a little easier. And that is why we do what we do.
Say hello to Pura, the world's first truly smart air freshener, fully controlled from your mobile device. Pura works differently than any other air freshener. You can tailor it to your lifestyle. Pura allows you to create your own schedule of fragrancing with options to control the time and the rooms that you want to be fragranced. And with 2 fragrances per dispenser, you can even control which fragrance you want at any given time. Each Pura dispenser also has a USB port to ensure that you don't lose access to your outlet. Why waste money? Pura dispensers automatically turn off when you leave your home. When you return, the dispensers resume the schedule you've set. And regardless of where you are, from your mobile device, you can override the dispensers and turn them on so that your home will smell great before you arrive. Each dispenser has a smart nightlight, and with over 16 million color options, you'll be sure to find color to match your style.
Our goal is to make sure your space smells great, without the hassle. We're very excited to bring to you Pura, the world's first smart air freshener.
This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the modules. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control. PowerUp FPV's camera can swivel around. That's how you also get wing view and back view, so you can see this defining moment in your life. Look, it's you flying a PowerUp FPV. Shai wanted to create the most immersive real-time experience. That's why he partnered with the good folks at Parrot, world experts in wireless streaming and creators of the AR drone. With their help, PowerUp FPV streams live video over Wi-Fi from over 300 feet. To make the experience really smooth, PowerUp FPV has a ton of sensors and an onboard computer with real-world autopilot mode, making it nearly uncrashable. Nearly. PowerUp FPV is ready for production. So if you love flying and want to ride a paper airplane, back PowerUp FPV and help make what was once magical unfreaking believable.
We've been using our computers like this for the past 30 years. But this doesn't work great in every situation.
And our computers don't look like this anymore. Or this. They look like this.
Or even this.
A keyboard and mouse don't make sense anymore. It's time to get your hands dirty with Jest. Jest lets you control your computer with your hands.
For example, Photoshop. Adjust the contrast. Ooh, a little less. Okay, now the brightness. Yep, perfect. Save that. Let's take this a little further. Add a logo. Bring it down, lower, a little to the right. Great. If you have two of them, you can even type.
We take the raw data from every accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer and pass it through advanced motion processing.
Sometimes your friends can get annoying. Quick hand gesture takes care of that. Just connects to your iOS or Android device, so you can connect it to almost anything, like your lights and your music.
Kickstarter, I'm very excited to present to you Cast by Genie. Cast by Genie is a cutting-edge home entertainment hub that seamlessly connects all of your devices into a wireless home video system. And even more amazingly, you can live stream the content that you're watching out of your own home to your friends and family. So you can all watch together no matter where they are. I can guarantee that with Cast by Genie, entertainment will never be the same. Imagine, your friends want to watch the game, but they don't have the channel. Well, it's not a problem anymore because with Cast by Genie, all you can watch, you can share. Awesome, isn't it? Let's invite more friends. Now you can all watch the game together, but it's not over. You can also chat and interact together. Well, let's face it, guys. Until today, entertainment just wasn't social or entertaining enough. With Cast by Genie, we reinvented entertainment to make it truly social and really amazing. Imagine the possibilities. So, how does it work? Well, it couldn't be easier. Cast thousands of apps accessible right at your fingertips. Invite your friends and watch together live. And react simultaneously. And it is mobile first, so with your cell phone, you will never miss anything again.
The desk is the focal point of our work, where ideas are born, where things get done, goals are set. It's also where we spend a lot of our time. That's why we created Aspirus. Aspirus is for those who want to get the most out of their day. It's a smart, adjustable standing desk designed to keep you healthy and bridge your competing priorities seamlessly. We've crafted Aspirus with smart features to introduce activity into an otherwise sedentary workday, ensuring that even while you're working, your health and posture are taken care of. Be it your quiet, focused work or your energetic collaboration, Aspirus is designed to help you strike that balance and zero in on what you're doing at that moment. This is Aspirus. It features a one-touch preset height button for a seamless transition and customizable goals to cater to your fitness level. Its reminder system gently lets you know when it's time to move, and the focus light notifies others when you need to concentrate on important tasks. All visualized in an easy-to-use mobile app, leaving you with a deeper understanding of your daily work rhythm than you've ever had before. Aspirus helps you get the most important things done, so you can focus on what really matters.
This is Cube, the next generation smart light bulb. Cube automates your light at home, so you never have to come back to a dark house again. Cube can sense when you are entering or leaving the room, and will automatically switch the lights on or off for you. You can set Cube to light up the color of your choice, whether it's a dinner date, birthday party, or a quiet time of reading. Cube always has the right lighting for the occasion. Cube is smart. You can even set the lights to dance to the beat of your favorite songs. And it also notifies you if you leave home without switching off your lights. Cube helps to organize your life. It syncs with the weather application and alerts you when it is about to ring, or when you receive a phone call or message. You can also use Cube to find your belongings at home by lighting up the bulb closest to the item that you are trying to find. It even wakes you up in the morning. Cube is easy to use. Replace your existing light bulbs with it. Download the free app, and you are good to go. With Cube, your life will always be colorful.
For years, TV, the internet, movies, video games, social networks, and apps have been moving toward a point of unification. A moment when all the things we love and watch, play, and interact with become available through one fully controllable, completely customizable channel. Total content convergence. Welcome to the world of screens. Screens fits massive amounts of technology into a tiny box and allows you to interact with all your content sources on a single screen. With screens, you can have multiple HD video streams and game consoles and cable feeds and internet simultaneously with absolutely zero lag. You can customize your layout, change active feeds, and interact with any element. When you're screening and you want a certain source bigger, make it bigger. Want it smaller? Go ahead. Add a Twitter stream? It's right there. Want game stats? Get that from the App Engine. Simplify and amp up your rig. With screens, gamers get to play the game and read up on the game and stream what they're doing on Twitch on the same monitor. For streamers, unleash powerful management and creative display abilities for your channel like never before. And engage your community with custom and personalized content. Switch the layout for sports fans who can watch multiple games and keep up with their fantasy roster and trash talk on Twitter without missing a play. Watch the Oscars while browsing Pinterest and keep up with celebrity gossip. It's everything you're already doing, but on one interface.
Whilst working on lasers for cosmetic and medical purposes, I wondered, could I put this technology to better use? I wanted something that would benefit every single one of us. Shaving was the obvious answer.
The industry has been looking for a laser shaver for home use, but discovering a viable technology has eluded everyone until now. Light have been discovered that cut through dark hair, but not light or grey hair.
We wanted a laser that could cut all hair. Many prototypes were built, and after years of experimentation, we had found exactly what we were looking for.
We identified molecules in the hair that absorb a particular wavelength. These are called chromophores. These chromophores are the only continuous structure in the hair. They're shared by every human regardless of age, gender, or race.
The Scarp razor is for everyone to use, and it works great on any area. This is how it works. A traditional razor cuts the hair shaft at an angle. This is what causes your skin to feel rough. When the Scarp razor makes contact, the laser melts through the hair shaft completely level to the surface of the skin. This leaves a smoother, softer finish that lasts longer to the touch. We really need your support to put the Scarp razor into production. We have preliminary agreements with manufacturers, but we require capital to begin orders. We've spent many years developing this razor because we believe after 5,000 years of using the same technology, it's time to make shaving easier, safer, and greener. Help us bring shaving into the 21st century.
This is Nora, a smart snoring solution that you want to have in your bedroom. This is you. Be more like outstanding vocal performance. You got a lot of this. Yep, your snoring is putting a damper on things at home. And you know it can increase the chance of strokes and heart attacks. So you go out there and try all kinds of anti-snore products. And then you meet Nora. Using Nora is simple. Just pick your favorite pillow, put the expander in your pillowcase, tap Nora, and go to sleep. When you start snoring, Nora gently moves your head so you stop before your partner wakes up. The science of it is simple. When you fall asleep, your neck and throat muscles relax. This decreases the size of the airway and causes the vibrations. The slight movement of your head stimulates these muscles and opens the airway, so you can breathe normally again. The best part is, you won't feel a thing. You can sleep in any position or on any part of the pillow. Our patent-pending design is just as effective. Everything about Nora is designed to make it a delightful addition to your bedroom. The organic shape is inspired by natural objects, and the smooth matte finish looks great in any setting. Nora comes in a beautiful portable bag, equipped with a rechargeable battery, making it easy to use on the go.
We wanted to create a product that we ourselves would want to use every day. So when developing SkyBuds, we paid attention to the things that people cared about the most: fit, signal strength, sound quality, and battery life.
The real problem with wireless headphones is that they always need to be charged. Charging anything besides your phone on a day-to-day basis is a real inconvenience. But with our patented case, whenever you charge your phone, you charge your earbuds. It's that simple. There's no need to carry around a separate charging or storage device just for your earbuds. And so when you go to sleep at night and you plug in your phone, not only do you wake up with a fully charged phone and fully charged earbuds, but we added an extra battery in the back of the case that provides additional power for both your phone and earbuds throughout the entire day.
Truly wireless means no more wires to get tangled on, no more cords to get ripped out of your ears, and our smartphone case allows an easy place for you to put your SkyBuds in when you're finished using them.
We also knew that SkyBuds would have to be the perfect companion for people with very active lifestyles. So yes, SkyBuds are sweat-proof. And to accommodate small ears like mine and much larger ears like Jamie's, we've developed interchangeable bud tips. In order to make sure that SkyBuds fit everyone's ears comfortably and securely, we studied tons of reports by ear surgeons and tested and 3D mapped literally hundreds of ears.
Not only are SkyBuds going to look sharp, but they're going to sound great and the connection quality is going to be excellent. We put amazing speakers into both earbuds and used a process called nanoplating to make sure that all your sound is uninterrupted. In terms of battery, they'll last for 3 to 4 hours of continuous play, but remember, as soon as you put them back in the case, we'll start recharging.
We converge 4 products into one device: your truly wireless earbuds, your Bluetooth headset for calling, smartphone case, and extra smartphone battery are all compressed into a single, totally convenient solution that charges and stores your earbuds.
We've been living and breathing SkyBuds for the past 14 months, but we've taken it as far as we can. Since we've put the best components in SkyBuds, mass production is expensive. Help us by supporting SkyBuds and becoming early advocates of the product.